Hello there and welcome to your sixth tutorial on how to build a website. In this tutorial I will introduce the concept of HTML tables and I will show you how to make use of a table as we start creating the navigation bar for our website. In case you are curious about the looks of the navigation bar, let me give you a preview of what we are working on. This is the navigation bar I made using a table with a single row and 4 columns. You can use and change the template from this tutorial to build your own custom navigation bar. Now let's take a look at the HTML and CSS code. As in the previous tutorial, we will use an external style sheet. You probably know that a table is made up from rows and columns. We declare a table in HTML using the beginning and ending table tags. All the content of the table must be placed between these two tags. A table row is declared using the opening and closing table row tags that are nested inside the table tags, as you can see in the example provided. Since our navigation bar is linear, this table has just one row, but you can make a table with as many rows as you want. I will use 4 columns to display the 4 elements of the navigation bar. Each column must be declared inside the table row using the opening and closing table column tags, which are TD from table data. Now that we have created the skeleton of our table, let's add the content. I have selected Home, Products, Contact, and About Us as the main categories for our website. You can modify this template as you see fit so that it matches your website. That's all there is as far as the HTML code required, and it's not that complicated. Now let's have a look at the CSS code behind our navigation bar. As you can see, I have declared 2 classes, one named navbar for the whole table and one named items for each item inside the table. Navbar has the following attributes: a fixed width of 1200 pixels, it is displayed as a block element and the margin is set to auto. The text is aligned centered, the font family is Agency FB, and the font size is set to 25 pixels. It has a border of 2 pixels that is solid black. We have set the border radius to 60 pixels and the background color to black. Items has a width of 300 pixels, a border that is also 2 pixels thick and is solid black. It has the same border radius of 60 pixels and a background color given by a color code which stands for light blue. If the CSS code seems a bit complicated, don't worry, because in the next tutorial I will explain in detail what each attribute does and we will see adjustments in the style of our navigation bar. That's all I have for you so far. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye bye.